Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Infometiz. They are offering medical coding training in Bangalore. They are aligned with APC and CPC coding. They are aligned with and APC CPC coaching with placement they are giving. APC CPC focused guidance, also mock reviews, and they are making you prepare for mock exam, which is a plus point. That will be helpful for you as well for your medical coding exam. And these are the coding system: ICD 10 CM, important coding system actually, CPT, HIPEX. These are the important coding system to be learned for medical coding course. Anatomy and psychology also, it is highly experienced real-time medical coding experts they have, and also they are giving 100% placement support. This is a plus point. They have highly experienced instructors. Strong fundamentals they are covering: ICD 10 CM, CPT, HIPEX. These are the important topics. The mode of training is online and offline both. They offer offline classes in Bangalore and live online training across India. Okay, here they have mentioned the course duration, fees. The duration is for 3 months, which includes 15 days of mock exam practice. This is a plus point. And complete guidance for CPC exam preparation also. Okay, the course fees is 26,800. And I guess this is a decent amount according to the curriculum they have. They have a good curriculum. It is well designed, comprehensive curriculum they have. Okay, what's included? They have CPC oriented training, mock exams, CPC pattern, resume and interview guidance also they are giving. This is also a plus point. That will be helpful for your resume and interview. They have highly experienced real-time trainers. Okay, APC, CPC focused coaching. We have already covered this before. Assessment and mock reviews, placement focused learning they have. Topic wise practice and review support they are giving. Assessment tool will be similar to CPC exam pattern. This is the strongest advantage because students do not just study theory, they actively practice with structured assessments. Okay, so now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, I would give this one. They are aligned with APC. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. They have well designed, updated and comprehensive curriculum. But the only thing which is missing is AI. And AI is the advanced topic. And for that, I would cut 0.3 marks. So I would give this 0.7. Qualified and experienced instructors. They have highly experienced instructors. So I would give this one. Practical training and case studies. They are providing hands-on experience on projects. So I would give this one. Certification exam preparation support. They are making you prepare for your exams, APC, CPC exam, and also mock exams. They are making, and also they are making you prepare for mock exams as well. So I would give this 0. Yeah. So I would give this one. Internship and job placement assistance. 100% job placement assistance is there. So 1. Access to updated coding books and software. Okay, they have updated code books. So I would give this 0.9. Flexible learning options, okay, the mode is online and offline both, so 1. Student reviews and success rate, it is there, so 1. Course fees, duration and payment option, it was mentioned, so I would give this one. So the total ranking we have here is 9.6. So overall the course is good, you may check it out. Also, I have mentioned one of the course link in the description. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. So that course is a 10 on 10 and these parameters. So you should definitely check that out. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.